Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn exactly how to ask for camera permission on X, the app formerly known as Twitter, right on your PC. If you've recently updated the platform and can't find the camera settings anymore, don't worry. This walkthrough will take you through each step clearly and simply, so you'll be ready to record, stream, or video chat without any issues. First, start by opening your Twitter app on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top of the screen and find the three dots. These dots open more options. Go ahead and click on them. This is where you'll find the settings that let you control how the app interacts with your device. Next, scroll through the menu and click on Privacy. This option leads you into your privacy dashboard, where you can adjust how much access X has to your camera, microphone, and other features. Once you're in the privacy section, click on Manage Privacy Settings. This is where most of the important permissions are stored. Inside the privacy settings page, look for permissions for this site. This section lists everything the website or app is allowed to use from your device. To control your camera access, find the camera option. You'll see different choices next to it, such as Allow, Block, or Ask. Here's the key part. Select Ask. This means that every time the X app wants to access your camera, it will first ask for your permission. You stay in full control, and nothing can turn on your camera without your approval. It's the perfect balance between convenience and privacy. Once you've chosen Ask, close the Settings menu. The next time you try to post a video, join a space, or use a camera feature on X, the app will politely ask if it can use your camera, and that's it. You've successfully set your camera permissions for X on your PC. Simple, safe, and quick, giving you peace of mind every time you go live or record.